What happens from the 3rd day to the 90th day of quitting masturbation? We want to go step by step with you and tell you about the good changes during this time. Why do we say the 3rd day? Because the first 2 days are the days when you must overcome yourself to quit this habit. On the 3rd day, you feel that your physical and mental energy is slowly returning to its normal state, maybe even better than before. From a mental and energy point of view, you change a lot. On the 5th day, you feel better and wake up much more easily than before, even if you slept less, because the hormone levels in your body start to change. On the 7th day, you feel that your body has become stronger. You are no longer quiet and unmotivated. Weakness in your body decreases and your appearance looks better. Like before, you walk straight, strong, and with confidence. On the 9th day, your motivation, enjoyment, and hope for life, which had decreased before, come back again, and your hope increases. You get motivation and creativity even for hard tasks. On the 12th day, the pimples you had become less and disappear. By the 15th day, your skin becomes clearer and brighter, and you feel that it is softer and healthier. You come out of that tired and low energy state. On the 20th day, your eyes look clearer and better. During these days, some under-the-skin pimples may appear. By this point, it is time to look at yourself in the mirror and compare yourself with before. Are you satisfied with your face and appearance? Friends, if this has been useful so far, make sure to follow our channel so you don't miss the next videos. On the 25th day, you realize that you are no longer afraid of communicating with others, and you can talk to people much more easily. On the 30th day, your memory and focus improve, and your mind works stronger than before. On the 35th day, you feel that your vision and focus are better, and you no longer have the previous tiredness. On the 40th day, if your hair had become weak, you feel that it becomes stronger again. On the 50th day, another interesting change happens. Without realizing it, you become more comfortable with strangers, and people see you differently. This happens because when you return from a weak state to a normal state, you gain more energy and confidence. This makes you more noticeable and more attractive. On the 60th day, after 2 months, you feel very strong. Your confidence increases, and mentally and physically you feel stronger, so much that you want to start physical activities like exercise. From this day on, it takes about 1 more month for your body and mind to fully return to normal. During this time, you must protect yourself and stay strong, so that later even difficult problems cannot disturb you. My friend, start right now and say, I want to change. I am not satisfied with my current state, and I want to become better. Even if the best doctors in the world come together and show you the best ways, if you do not want it and do not have strong determination, you will not succeed. So say, I will make my own path. Because until you truly want it and make a serious decision, you cannot succeed. So right now tell yourself, I want to quit forever. Friends, on our channel there are many videos about quitting this habit. There are different methods, and you can find everything there. We hope you become free from every harmful habit. Friends, please follow our channel. Every week we share useful videos about physical and mental health. If you have any questions, leave a comment.